Question is, how do you approach this issue if you're closing in a week or even under builder warranty? What's the best protocol? So that's what I want to talk to you guys about today. Hey guys, Steve Graff here. I did a townhouse final walkthrough inspection today. Something interesting happened. It kind of gave me the opportunity to discuss something with you. When I tested the water upstairs, I run the shower in the tub for approximately 10 minutes or so. I'm looking for leaks to come through the ceiling. I scan the ceilings when I'm done. When I came downstairs to address the electrical panel or reset breakers and things, I saw that it was almost raining outside. It turns out it was water coming from the ceiling. So if you look up that ceiling, this infrared camera, this water came down this wall. It's all over the floor. It was pouring. So of course, the first thing is blame the inspector, right? But everything's dry upstairs. Basically, when the ceiling's wet like this and the wall has moisture to that extent, there's no options. They have to cut the drywall out. They have to get it completely dried out. If closing has to be delayed, then that's what has to happen. Whatever the problem is, I assume it's the tub drain that's leaking into the ceiling. So the drywall will come out, and water restoration company, it has to be done by a water restoration company, any dry out work, and you want to get documentation and proof of that. So the protocols are typically, remove the drywall, dry it out, and get the leak repair completed. And then you would move on to the, making sure it's 100% dry before you go putting it back together. You definitely want to retest the plumbing before you put the drywall in. Make sure that the leak's totally done and completed. But any other, like if you're going to come out here and just remove the drywall and put it back all in one day, that's not the correct way to handle this. Just follow the necessary protocols. Make sure the right person does the job. And if closing needs to be delayed, that's what has to happen. You don't want to end up with moisture, cellulose, darkness, all of the conducive conditions for microbial growth inside the walls and ceilings in a brand new house. You don't want that. So we need this moisture to go away. We want the leak to go away, but it has to be done properly. So I just wanted to have that conversation with you and let you know if you're having questions or concerns about any leaks in new construction, just make sure they follow those protocols. Make sure that all of the dry out is done by the right licensed professional. That's not going to be the builder. It's going to be a dry out company or a mold restoration company, somebody who's qualified and certified in handling this issue.